Flowers start to bloom everywhere, and the sky seems bluer these days, and the grass seems greener. It's nice to get outside. The trees are singing their songs, and it feels good to walk the dog. It's a nice day to go ride a bike, to smell the flowers, explore the neighborhood, and to look on up. The days are longer, and you can stay outside because it's brighter. Go explore your city, or get out of your city. Leave if you have to, or stay put and watch the sunset. It's beautiful. It's a new season. Stop to smell the roses, and remember, it's the first day of summer.